Hello, and welcome to Mid-Hudson Subaru. I'm Natasha. I'm here to guide you through a smooth and effortless service appointment process so you can quickly get back on the road and continue your adventures. We're located here at 1162 Route 9, Wappingers Falls, New York. When you arrive, simply pull in and our valet will take your vehicle for check-in. Our valet bay is climate controlled year-round to ensure your comfort, no matter the weather. Your vehicle will be outfitted with seat and floor protection and will undergo a thorough safety check before one of our master certified technicians begins working on it. After your car is taken to service by our valet, an advisor will meet with you to review the reason for your visit and answer any questions you may have. Once everything is set, they will show you to our comfortable customer lounge. Relax in our customer lounge with complimentary high-speed Wi-Fi, drinks, and snacks. We'll aim to make your wait enjoyable with a comfortable atmosphere and convenient refreshments. If you need to be on the move, we'll also offer complimentary loaner vehicles. While you relax in our comfortable lounge, rest assured that your vehicle is in expert hands. Our master certified technicians start with a comprehensive multi-point inspection in our state-of-the-art service facility and address the specific reason for your visit. If the service center is closed, you can use our convenient key drop box and park your car in the designated service area. This option accommodates your busy schedule, allowing us to promptly begin work on your vehicle when we reopen. When your vehicle is ready, we'll find you in our waiting room. If you're not in the building, we will call or text to let you know your service appointment is complete. Your vehicle will be brought to the covered valet bay, ready for you to head out on your next adventure. At Mid-Hudson Subaru, we pride ourselves on our team effort to make your appointment as comfortable as possible. Thank you for being part of our family. We look forward to seeing you soon.